this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this slimline card with the Lots of Heart bundle. So here's the Lots of Heart bundle. It is super cute. It has tons of dies and it's got these cute hearts with all these fun sayings. And this is super cute. I love this line of hearts right here, but what I really love are all of these dies. You've got this cute little line of dies and all hearts and all of these hearts, flowers, a flowered heart, and then an outline heart, a dotted heart, scalloped heart, and then just more hearts and flowers and birds. I just love all of these dies and they're so fun. And so we're going to use some of them for this card right here. And of course the hearts cut out the dies cut out the hearts from the stamp set. So I've already got the hearts all cut out. And we're going to do some stamping on the hearts. Now a slimline card will fit in a letter size envelope and measures 8.5 by 7, and then you score it at 3.5 and fold it in half. And so that's a slimline card size. They're super fun to make. It's just a different fun size that you can do. And then this one that I put on top is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. And then this is going to be for my sentiment. And then I'm going to stamp, I've got tons of little hearts here. I'm going to stamp these 3 hearts, and then I cut out an outline heart too. Isn't that cute? The outline hearts, all these outline hearts. And I used my adhesive sheets to make it really easy to adhere those this time. So it's going to be really good. And it looks like this is the incorrect heart. This heart goes with this. So I'll grab the correct heart in a bit. But let's start with the Granny Apple Green heart, and that's going to be the dotted heart. Now normally I would stamp first and then cut out, but since I'm doing this for a video, I'm just going to test my abilities here and see if I can stamp right on there since this is photopolymer. Ooh, pretty good, pretty good. So Granny Apple Green, and then Pacific Point, done with that one. Pacific Point, this one's really cool because it has all of these designs of the interlooping hearts that are similar to this die right here. So I think that's really cool. I love it when things coordinate. This coordinates really nicely. So Pacific Point on Pacific Point. Let's see if I can line these up. Try not to get my head in the shot, but my head might get in the shot because it's easier to line things up when I can see over top. So let's see here. Okay, how'd I do? Pretty good. I would say that's pretty good. All right, so now for the Gorgeous Grape. I love this one. We're gonna do the checkered heart. So this checkered heart right here, isn't that fun? It's all checkered. So we're gonna fit this checkered heart on here. There we go. So we've got our fun heart stamped. And then we can take this outline, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on it. This one I didn't use the adhesive because I thought it would be better just to put some glue on this one, because I don't want to use up all my adhesive sheets, because then I would have this big heart with adhesive on it too, and don't need that. But for all the little hearts, I totally used an adhesive sheet. Good to use tweezers for this, and then I'm just going to place this right on top of the Gorgeous Grape. Gorgeous Grape on Gorgeous Grape. So cool. Okay, so now we can put the card together. So I popped everything up. So dimensionals, dimensionals. Let this dry a little bit, and this gets dimensionals too. Now I have all of these little hearts cut out, stuck together. So I'm gonna go through these and peel off the back, because I use the adhesive sheets, which makes it really easy to just stick on. And then put some hearts here and there. To finish off this card. So fun, all these cute little hearts. Put some hearts up here. Put another one down here. And there we go. Now all we need is the sentiment, sent with lots of love. I'm just going to stamp that in Gorgeous Grape. Sent with lots of heart. So I've got lots of hearts there. You can just trim that off out there. This is on dimensionals too. We'll just place this right on our Pacific Point heart. And there we go. There is our Slimline heart card. So I'm offering a card kit with the Lots of Heart bundle. You can get it for free when you place a $30 order. Just go to my website and enter the January hostess code, and place your $30 order, and I will send you this card kit for free. Just email me and let me know that you would like the Lots of Heart card kit. And you can also get the card kit for free when you purchase the Lots of Heart bundle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.